If you're over 60 and want stronger legs even at 80 or 90, this simple food can change your life. No, it's not a supplement or a fancy vitamin. It's something delicious that you can eat every single day. Salmon. Today I'll show you how salmon can build your leg strength, protect your bones, and help you stay active for years. Strong legs are the key to longevity. They help you walk confidently, climb stairs, maintain balance, and prevent dangerous falls. But most seniors don't know that diet can rebuild leg strength, even in old age. In today's video, we'll reveal why salmon is the #1 food for seniors who want powerful legs and better mobility, and how you can add it to your daily routine. Why leg strength is so important. Leg strength determines your independence. Studies show that seniors with strong legs live longer, move better, and recover faster. Weak legs increase fall risk, cause slow walking speed, and make daily tasks harder. But the great news is, with the right nutrition, your muscles can rebuild even after 60, 70. What happens when seniors lose leg strength? As we age, we naturally lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. This leads to knee pain, balance problems, and difficulty getting out of chairs. Many seniors think this is normal aging, but it can be reversed. And salmon is one of the best natural solutions. The secret food revealed: salmon. Salmon isn't just tasty, it's one of the most powerful foods for seniors. It's packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats that help rebuild muscle. It also reduces inflammation, which is a major cause of leg stiffness and joint pain. Why salmon builds stronger legs? Salmon strengthens your legs in multiple ways. Protein repairs and rebuilds leg muscles. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in the knees and hips. Vitamin D supports stronger bones and better balance. Potassium and selenium help muscles contract smoothly, improving movement. This combination makes salmon a complete leg-strengthening superfood for seniors. How much salmon should seniors eat? For seniors in the USA, experts recommend 2 to 3 4-ounce servings per week. If you enjoy salmon daily, you can eat a smaller portion, 2 to 3 ounces per day safely. Always baked, grilled, or air-fried is best. Avoid deep frying. Best ways to eat salmon daily. Here are easy, USA-friendly ways to enjoy salmon every day. Add cooked salmon to salads. Eat salmon with brown rice or veggies. Make a salmon sandwich or wrap. Add salmon chunks into scrambled eggs. Prepare salmon bowls with quinoa. These quick meals make it simple for seniors to maintain strong legs. Hash bonus: 3 foods that boost leg strength. Even if you pair salmon with these foods, the results become even stronger. 1. Sweet potatoes, rich in potassium and energy. 2. Greek yogurt, extra protein for leg muscle building. 3. Spinach, supports muscle recovery and reduces cramps. Simple leg exercises to add. To maximize your results, try these safe exercises. Seated leg lifts, step-ups on a low step, wall sits for 10 to 20 seconds. These exercises are senior-friendly and pair perfectly with a salmon-rich diet. Safety tips for seniors, 7:30 to 8. If you have kidney issues, diabetes, or take blood thinners, talk to your doctor before increasing fish intake. Also, stay hydrated and avoid very salty smoked salmon. Conclusion: salmon is one of the best daily foods for seniors who want to walk better, feel stronger, and stay active, even at 90. Try adding small portions of salmon into your meals and feel the difference. If you want a video on best exercises for seniors over 70, comment below.